This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Terrific home is minutes to beautiful sandy beaches, boat ramps, fishing and other water sports. Nice size living room and dining area. Kitchen has wall oven, separate cooktop, upgraded refrigerator, attractive 42 inches cabinetry and farmhouse sink. Main bedroom has king-size bed, walk-in closet, step-in shower and dual sinks. Guest bedroom has pull-out bed. Home has extended balcony and upper-level deck offering terrific water views. There is parking for 4 to 6 vehicles west/a 2-car tandem-style drive-through garage, separate golf cart garage and carport spaces. Amenities of Ocean Breeze are pickleball, state-of-the-art fitness center, waterboard launch from floating dock, fishing pier, resort-style pool, billiards, cabana cafe and more. Trucks and motorcycles welcome. Available February 1, 2023. Minimum of a 3-month stay. $5,500 per month for seasonal rental. Off-season is $3,500 per month. Includes Wi-Fi, basic cable, water, sewer and electric up to $100 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.